Welcome to Stockholm, Sweden. Today we're going to walk through the streets of Sweden where old meets new and every corner has a story to tell. And along the way we're going to give you a few travel tips. So grab your comfy shoes and let's go for a walk.
Stockholm's public transportation is efficient, clean, and very easy to use. It is also eco-friendly with many electric buses and biofuel powered trains. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, you'll find plenty to love in this incredible city. Did you know that Stockholm is built on 14 islands? The city is sometimes referred to as the Venice of the North, thanks to its beautiful buildings, exquisite architecture, abundant open water, and numerous parks. The total absence of heavy industry makes Stockholm one of the world's cleanest cities. In 2010, the Swedish capital was named the first green capital of Europe, and ever since then, the city has continued developing smart, clean, and green initiatives. The city has reduced its carbon emission by over 25% since 1990 and aims to be fossil-free by 2050. First up is Gamla Stan, one of the best preserved medieval city centers in Europe. Look at all these buildings straight out of a fairy tale. If these walls could talk, they'd tell stories of Vikings, kings, royal feasts, and maybe a few secret tunnels. But today you'll mostly see tourists looking for the best cinnamon buns. We were here in January. As you can see, there was a light rain, but not enough for an umbrella or a raincoat. But Stockholm does get as little as 6 hours of daylight, while in the summer the sun barely sets at all. This extreme contrast makes for some weird sleep schedules and an obsession with vitamin D. Stockholm aims to become a cash-free city in the coming years, and in fact many cafes, restaurants, and hotels already enforce this policy. So on your trip, the best is to bring your credit card, or even better, use Google Pay or Apple Pay. The beautiful buildings, the grand palaces, the picturesque canals, you'll be amazed by the sheer scale of beauty and the city's landmarks. You're going to want to take plenty of photos to remember your trip. A few fun facts about Sweden is Pippi Longstockings is Swedish. The world famous discount furniture chain IKEA was founded in Sweden in 1943. Swedes also have the longest life expectancy in all of Europe. Everyone speaks English. Swedes start studying English in school before the age of 10 and never miss a chance to practice learning English. On Easter, the children dress up as witches and go trick-or-treating. Sweden has a long and interesting history, magnificent architecture, friendly people, and stunning landscape, making it one of the countries in the world that you can never tire of returning to. Ice hockey and soccer are Sweden's main sports, but other popular sports include handball, golf, gymnastics, athletics, and cross-country skiing. Tipping isn't established in Sweden compared to other countries such as the United States. If you enjoy the food or service, feel free to tip whatever amount you want. But there is no pressure or expectation for you to tip just because you're a tourist. For the most part, you can expect to pretty much pay whatever is on the bill. Visit this food market where you can sample local delicacies and drinks. This is a great way to experience the city's food culture and meet some friendly locals. Happy hour in Sweden is called after work.
Thank you so very much for watching Travel with the Hales. We very much appreciate it and you taking your time out of your day. We sure hope that you enjoyed our videos. If you did, please like and comment, and we'd be even more honored if you would share them. Until next time, happy travels.